Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to save Canva design to Google Drive, or how to upload your Canva design to Google Drive. Now, we all know Google Drive is like a storage app in the cloud. Yes, like a storage in the cloud, the storage that helps make it easier for us to store things and retrieve them using different devices, as long as you're logged in. Now, your Canva design can be saved to Google Drive through some methods. The first method is using Canva's direct integration. Now, how do we do this? After choosing the design you want to save, over here you select apps, and then you search the app, and you search for Google Drive. So as you can see, there's no Google Drive here. So tap on all apps, tap on share and publish. Let's see, and it is here. You can even go for Workplace Essentials, and here we can see the drive. Click on it. So you can now install Canva for Google Workspace. Tap on it. Now, when you do this, don't forget, so from here you follow the prompt and you finish it, and then Canva is now connected, and whenever you finish the design, you can easily save it in your Google Workspace, which is a Google Drive account. Now, you can do that, or the second way to do it is to click the share button. Second way to do it is to click the share button. So let's go back to our design. Let's say I want to share this particular design. So over here, you have the share button. So you download the design first of all. After downloading the design, remember, you click on share, and then you click on select download. You choose desired file format you want. So we choose desired file format that we want. After choosing the desired file format, then this is the file type. You choose the desired one that you want. You go through all this, you tap on download. After downloading it, tap on download here. There should be an option for more. Let's go back, close it again. Tap on share. Okay. Now, this option here is to open it. This one is to show the folder where it was sent. This is the folder now I want to share it to Google Drive. This is OneDrive. This is Microsoft. This is Designer. So we have this for share. Tap on share, and then we have some options here. Let's see if Google Drive is one of them. So it isn't. Alright, that's for this using the share method. But another way you can do it is you can go to the file, this is the file, right click on it, and then you see share with Skype, cast, share. Click on share. Okay, these are back here. So you can send to different places, but we're looking for the share. Okay, the major problem I'm having here is the fact that I don't have Google Drive attached to it. Otherwise I would have sent the option for share with Google Drive, but you will see us here.